Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't stall later. Check your device model and current iOS. This matters because some recovery flows differ by version. Once done, make sure you have the Apple ID, password, and any recovery phone or email at hand because you'll need to confirm identity. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug into power if battery is below 50%, and temporarily turn off VPN. This prevents connection issues during account verification. Now you perform the identity steps that actually re-enable iCloud. Open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. If you can, change or reset the password from a trusted device. If you're locked out, use Forgot Apple ID or password, and follow the guided account recovery. This can take several hours to days depending on verification. When two-factor authentication appears, approve from a trusted device or enter your recovery code. This confirms it's you and lifts the disabled. To finish, sign back into iCloud with the new credentials and verify settings shows iCloud services syncing. Give it a few minutes to populate. Make sure iOS is up to date and restart the device to refresh authentication sessions. If the account remains disabled, here's one key tip. Gather your device serial number and proof of purchase, then contact Apple support. They can complete manual account reactivation after verifying ownership, which resolves persistent disabled flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.